Here is how you can make unlimited AI dialogue video. Let me rephrase. Monetizable AI dialogue videos using free AI tools. Hi guys, welcome to Create with Emmy, where I give you free AI tools you can use to animate your AI character and also continue your content creation journey. Now, if you want more of this, because I create videos like this, I give you new tools, free AI tool. But if you know you have money, you can subscribe, no problem. You can go ahead. I also bring you good value for your money. AI tools you can subscribe to, and you can get value for your money. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. This AI you're looking at here, this video playing here, was created using an AI tool. Now, free AI tool. For you to see this video you're watching here is a Pixar style video. Now you could create different types. So using any AI assistant of your choice, I am going to be using my own AI assistant, and I'm going to click on the mic button because I can't stress myself typing. So I'm going to write. I instructed it using the voice note. You could see it playing downward, saying it should write a beautiful short movie concerning Nigeria home, and it should give me a family setting where with a beautiful storyline, so I can generate a Pixar style because I emphasize it for my movie, a short movie, and it gave me this, the empty pot. Now, this is what it looks like. Now, mind you, these are AI generated, so I will encourage you to often go through your story. It gave me till the end. Now, I'm going to ask it to divide the script, divide it into script. Now, you will see I'm checking, scrolling, I'm checking it. So, for me to check anywhere, I'm going to do correction in case of any correction because these are AI. So even all this AI app, they often encourage you to check it. Now the next thing is for me to ask it to give me a beautiful image prompt, pixel style, to generate my image. You wait for that to load, and this came in where a pixel style image for the topic, the title, empty pot. Now you could see it. Now, the next thing we're doing, we're clicking and we long press and we drag down for us to copy. I like to use Gemini to generate my image. You go to Gemini app, you click on create image, you paste in the prompt. You paste in your prompt and you put your aspect ratio. My aspect ratio is 9:16. You can use based on the fact that you're depending on the platform you're recording for. So you use the aspect ratio and you are going to included there for it to generate. Now you will notice it generated a beautiful image. Now there's something we forgot to do. We forgot to add consistency. That's why I went back in my image, like my AI assistant, and I went back and I said, this image prompt you've generated for the scene, make the character consistent. Kindly include in the prompt the description of the character because I want the character to be consistent and not change. Also remember to add the image, the aspect ratio of the image. Now, the reason why I said you should add it, in case you're supposed to generate like 20 image, you would have to be typing over and over for them to put the aspect ratio. But when you put in the instruction ones, all you just have to do is to be copying and pasting. So that is it. So always when generating your own story, always instruct the AI assistant you're using to make sure that the AI make sure that the image is consistent. So what you have to do is to copy and you paste. That is just what you do. You keep copying and pasting. Now, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe and leave an amazing comment. This encourages me to come back and do more. Now, this is really beautiful. Now, you click on the three dotted line and you save to your device. You do the same thing. You go to the next, this thing. You copy. You go back to your AI assistant and you paste and you generate. If you know that you want to go into AI, content creation at large, and you get exhausted, you get tired with stuff easily, my dear, content creation is not your business. You don't have business with it. If you get tired, if things works you out a lot, make you get burnout, my dear, just go and look for another thing. Because when it comes to character generation, a whole lot of things, you have to be patient, you have to be consistent. Now, with this, with your consistency, you get to monetization on time and you start cashing out the money because, my dear, there's no free thing. There's nothing easy. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is for us to go to our app store. You go to your Play Store and you're going to type this Tinker by Spotify. You click on get. Based on the fact that I'm using Apple, click out, you download directly. If you're using Android, you click on install and you wait for it to download. As soon as it's, depending on your network, it doesn't take time. It's just you downloading an app because that's what you'll be using. It's free. Like I said, all these AI tools are free. Now you open, this is what the platform, the interface looks like. You wait for it to load. Now you see the sign up button at the upper part. You click on the sign up, continue with Google. You click continue. Now you sign up with your Gmail. I've signed up with my Gmail. I had to save all of those. I don't want to show my Gmail. So you see I've signed up. Now you will notice, click anywhere and drag to the side. You see I'm doing it again. I clicked and I'm dragging to the side. This app has amazing things to offer. I clicked and I dragged to the side. Now at the upper part, you're going to see all apps, image, videos. You click on video. At the video, you see animate video icon. We are using Google Video Generator. Google View Video Generator. That is what we are using. You click it. This is what it looks like. Now, this is a preview of what this looks like. These are all the other things you could generate and other like things you could do with this app. So we click on use. That is our main focus. Click on select photos. So after you click on select photos, you click on add. You can see this add sign there. Photo library is what we are going to. So you click on your photo library and allow full access, because definitely we're using it to generate this. And now you could see all the image I've generated. You see that the consistency is there in the character. I picked in my first image. Now you wait for it to generate. You wait for it to pop up. Now you click on advanced setting. You're going to see the aspect ratio automatically is 9:16, and for the duration for this particular AI tool is 6, unlike others that have 4, is 6. If you click use 4 seconds, 4 seconds is much more faster, and you use 6 is much more faster. So I went back to my AI, the AI tool I'm using, my AI assistant. I'm going to click on long press and I'm going to drag down. I'm going to drag down to where, now mind you, please don't overcrowd your AI. So if not, your AI will start giving you rubbish. So don't overcrowd it. So this is a dialogue between the grandma and the granddaughter. So all you just have to do, you drag it and you click on generate and you wait for it to generate. Now Tinker is asking you if they can send you a notification when they are done generating, and I said yes. So you wait for it to generate. Like I said, leave an amazing comment, like, subscribe if you're yet to do so. You should be patient. This does not take time. It does not take time. Even the one you paid for is still the same duration, as long as you have a good network. And isn't this beautiful? It is animated. So this is grandma and Mara. This is really beautiful. So you continue the process. You click the 3 dotted line, you click on download, and it automatically download and save into your device. You keep doing the process over and over again. Now the next thing you will be doing, I want to show you something. You will see video limit reached, reset to 9 o'clock. Like if you look at the upper part, you will see 8:38 and they told me 9 p.m. All you just have to do, you go back to your profile and you log out. You log out. I told you, I often tell you in all my video that when you are using free AI tools, you are expected to have multiple Gmail accounts. So I am going to log out into another Gmail account. Now I'm going to advise you not to use your normal Gmail account. You should have a random Gmail account you use for all these different AI tools. Like I said, if you have money, you could go ahead and register for a paid one. You repeat the same process. You can go ahead and do the paid one. But for those of us that are still trying to balance, we're still waiting for the dough. You know what I'm saying? So let's use the one we are using, because we can't stall in that content creation. So you repeat the same process, just like I'm showing you here and you're seeing it there. You repeat the same process and you keep generating. With that, you're done with your video. Before you're done, you've passed the actual time. The next thing we're going to do is for us to go to CapCut and put those tools together, those images, those videos we've done. We're going to put it together. So you go to your CapCut, you click on add, you select them, you put them together, and you start trimming. There are some parts now, what you do, you click it, you see me dragging it there. You make necessary adjustments, you remove what you don't want there, you delete. Now auto caption is paid, so I would advise you to use the social media platform auto caption you're using, you intend to use. If you intend to post on TikTok, use TikTok. Auto caption is free. Facebook is free. With that, it's displayed on the screen and easy peasy. Everything is set. You preview, you check for any adjustments. Then if you want audio, you add audio, and you what export. With this, you successfully made your video. Now for the watermark, I'm going to show you how to remove it. Now you go to your gallery. When you go to your gallery, you click on the video you just edited. The next thing, you click on the three dotted line and you crop. You crop, easy peasy. You've gotten the watermark out of it, and this is all, like, easy peasy. You've successfully created an AI dialogue video, full, without necessarily paying, using free AI tool. Basic thing you need: your phone, your network, um, multiple Gmail accounts, and your time. Now, by the time you keep posting AI, you keep posting this video often. Now, this is not an avenue for you to post. When you post today, you don't post tomorrow. You post tomorrow, you don't post in next week. No, you keep posting. Consistency is the key. Now, with this, you get to monetization and you start cashing out. Now, giving up is not an option, because 2026 we intend to make money. So, if that sounds like what you want to do, go and start creating that video now for you to get to monetization. Now, let's watch the full video of what we've just done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
In a quiet village, a young girl named Amara
lived with her loving grandma.
Morning, Amara.
Good morning, Grandma.
You always wake up early to...
I like making our home beautiful.
That makes me proud.